what hurts? You know what really hurts? I'm gonna tell you what's hurt. It hurts when us small content creators don't even get on the For You page, and we get small views, and all girls have to do is just smile, and they're gonna get 100K views. Like, we try our best to maintain at least 300 or something views. My point is, we don't even get on the For You page a lot. So if you see this video, please let the content creator know that he popped up on the For You page. Comment